Do you want to know some of the best exercises for quickly and easily losing fat while burning large amount of calories at the same time? In that case, you would be glad to know that there are a lot of HIIT cardio exercises that are highly effective for burning fat. And today, I'm here with a complete detailed HIIT cardio workout which will help you burn a large amount of calories in a short span of time. Even if you are a beginner, this HIIT cardio workout is easy to follow with its basic and simple exercises. Over time, I will also cover various advanced workouts in my upcoming videos, so make sure to get subscribed for that. If you are unfamiliar with HIIT, it stands for High Intensity Interval Training, which involves short periods of intense exercise. Therefore, you need to do these exercises in a circuit where you complete these exercises back to back without a break and repeat. However, you can take a break of 10 to 15 seconds between each exercise. It is recommended to repeat this HIIT cardio circuit 3 to 5 times for the best results. Each exercise in this HIIT cardio workout has to be performed for a total of 30 seconds with a constant pace at all times. Beginning this cardio workout with something easy, we have jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is a simple exercise which can be great for a full body workout. It is known to target various major muscle groups throughout your body. Other than your muscles, jumping jacks can also strengthen your bones, improve cardiovascular health, and benefit your heart health. But you can get these benefits when jumping jacks are done in the right manner. To start, you have to stand straight with your legs together and arms on the side. Then slightly bend your knees and jump in the same place while spreading your legs shoulder width apart and stretching your arms above your head. Finally, jump back and keep repeating jumping jacks in a similar manner. If you are not able to perform jumping jacks for some reason, you can also try its alternative variant as shown here. Moving over to the next exercise, we have high knees, which is considered as one of the best cardio intensive exercises. You can consider high knees as a great way to engage your core quite easily. For its effectiveness, high knees can be beneficial for your leg muscles, and it is also useful for improving your movement coordination and flexibility. For performing high knees in the right manner, it is highly important to correct its form. To begin, stand straight with your feet hip width apart. Then lift your left knee up to your chest and continue switching to your right knee in a similar way. Continue switching between your knees at a sprinting or running pace. Standing crunches can be a great alternative for high knees if you are not able to perform it, as it can be quite intense for some beginners. You can easily perform standing crunches as shown. Talking about the third exercise in this HIIT cardio workout, pulse squats can be another great way to easily lose fat. Since this is a different form of squats, you can still get all the benefits of traditional squats like strengthening the core, targeting most of your leg muscles, boosting athletic ability, and burning a lot of calories at the same time. As for the pulse squats, they offer the benefit of constantly stimulating and engaging your leg muscles. Performing pulse squats is quite similar to traditional squats, as you have to first stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Then hold your hands together in front of your chest. Now slowly go down to a crouched position and start pulsing up and down 3 times in a row as shown, and repeat. Coming to the fourth exercise, we have butt kicks. Butt kicks can also be a great way to burn fat and calories while performing this HIIT cardio workout. Apart from burning calories, butt kicks can also be handy for strengthening your hams, glutes, and a few other leg muscles. In some cases, butt kicks can even improve your running speed, as it increases the speed of your hamstrings contraction. As per the name, performing butt kicks includes kicking your butt. You can simply begin by standing with your feet hip width apart with your arms on your back. Then slowly bring your heel to your buttocks and continue switching between your legs at a running or sprinting pace. At the last position, this HIIT cardio workout has commando planks. This exercise can help you in strengthening your chest, arms, shoulders and core all at the same time. It is a high intensity exercise that can get your heart rate up while allowing you to perform it almost anywhere. Being a variant of standard plank, you can begin with the standard plank position. This includes resting your body on your toes and your hands as shown. Then simply lower either of your forearm at a time and get back up onto your hands. After that, switch to your other forearm and keep repeating this exercise for the next 30 seconds. Since this is an HIIT cardio workout, you can burn a lot of calories and body fat at the same time. Because this HIIT cardio workout has been made for beginners in mind, it is quite easy to follow and can be performed almost anywhere. For best results, it is advised to follow this workout 3 to 5 times in a circuit where each exercise is performed for 30 seconds with a break of 10 to 15 seconds in between. If done correctly, you can even strengthen various muscles in your body apart from just burning fat and calories. Hey guys, I hope you like this beginner's HIIT cardio workout and found the exercises in it beneficial in giving you a good burn. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. You can also leave your thoughts and your doubts in the comment section below. Down there you'll also find my Instagram where I post daily fitness tips. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.